Boom, boom, boom. We are back. Listen, every Wednesday, we're going to bring you something special. We're going to bring you a segment by Parker called What the F is Going On with the Rates. So every Wednesday, we want you to tune in, starting this Wednesday on What the F is Going On with the Rates. So, Parker, can you let us know what the F is going on with these rates?
Absolutely. And for those out there, by F, we mean Fed. What the Fed is going on with the mortgage rates. So I'm so glad you asked. So here's a little update for you guys. Now, ironically, I do want you all to know that while the Fed does have an overall impact on mortgage rates, the Fed actually doesn't have a direct impact on mortgage rates. So a lot of people think that when the Fed lowers by a quarter, it's a direct hit to mortgages, which is actually not the case. So what drives the mortgage market is the 10-year Treasury and the mortgage-backed securities market. So the Fed money is what's used for like auto loans, credit cards, and so forth. That's not where mortgage money comes from. Mortgage money comes from investors purchasing mortgage-backed securities on the mortgage market, which is kind of like the stock market, but for mortgages. So that's what drives mortgage interest rates. So what's been going on lately is, as most of you know, so mortgage rates dropped quite a bit from July through mid-September, about up to where the Fed cut the first rate. They did the half a point basis point cut there. So ironically, though, mortgages after that cut actually shot up quite a bit between the announcement of the rate cut and just recently. What was causing that? Well, a couple things. So number one, we got a very strong jobs report showing that the economy was doing great, which leads to fear that maybe inflation's not going to come down like we need it to. So that can be a driver of it. I do also think that a lot of that had to do with the uncertainty of the election. I don't know that it matters too much who was elected, but just not knowing the direction things were going to go, I feel caused a lot of adversity in the market. And so I have a feeling that's what played a big factor in mortgage rates. So the last few weeks after the election last week, towards the end of the week, we did see some easing up on pricing, and we are hoping to continue this. And I'll share with you guys. Let's see what the pattern's doing, because we can speculate all day long on markets and directions that they're going to go. But let me show you guys this here. I'm going to share my screen with you. So something that I look at quite a bit, and let's do a year out. It's a better overview here. So something I use is, because news, speculation, what's going to happen, there's a ton of that out there. I like to look at patterns. So on this chart, you can see the higher on the chart, the lower the interest rate. I know it's backwards, but this is the mortgage-backed security market chart. So you can see here's where rates were better mid-September than they've been in quite a while. Here was leading up to the lowest rates we've had in quite a while. And then you can see right after that, rates started to get rough pretty quickly. And then you can see here, just after the election, things are starting to ease up. Now, I really like to watch these patterns, so you can kind of see going back what's been going on. So that may give you a little idea of what's to come in the future. So looking at this, my best guess is that rates are going to continue to ease up a little bit more. We'll see if they come all the way back down or if there's another hit somewhere in there. But this is a really good indicator, and this is a mortgage-backed securities market. So that being said, I'm hoping for rates to ease up in the next couple weeks and continue to ease up a little. I'm not expecting any big changes, so I would not wait on rates to come down to continue your real estate endeavors. Don't miss out because of interest rates. There's never a bad time to buy real estate.
Awesome. And that completes our What the F is Going On with the Interest Rates. Make sure you mark your calendar. Every Wednesday, Parker will bring the update to your doorstep so you will know and you will be ready to jump right into that market. With that being said, this is Parker. This is Lenny the Boss from Find Your Freedom, and we talk to you soon. Peace.